Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change WhatsApp home screen wallpaper. So at first, just launch WhatsApp. Now click the top right, the three dot icon, and click on settings. Now click on the chats option, the fourth one. Now if you want to change your theme, just click the first option and you can change it to light or dark like this. Everything here will be dark, and again go there and click on wallpaper. If you want to change your wallpaper, you can change it. Just click on change here and you can select it from here. You can also select it from your photos. I'm selecting it to bright, and you can select it from here, just any photo you want. I'm selecting this one and click on the bottom set wallpaper. Here you can see the wallpaper is set. You can change its color like this and click the top left icon. Go back. Now just go to a number and you will see here you can see the background is changed. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.